Hello, this is Mr. Gregorich, and I am going to give you a brief tour of our Schoology site. This is going to be really important for those of you who are remote learners. So I actually have 3 sections, so if you're not in section 1, which is period 1, that is fine. Everything is the same in all 3 sections. So you're going to see 3 folders whenever you open up the site: a welcome class information, assignments and instructions, and classroom resources. Now, right here, these are all unpublished, but they will be published whenever class starts. So the welcome and class information folder is going to have several activities in it. The first folder is going to be course information, and in here we have the syllabus. You're going to want to look over the syllabus, and if you have any questions on it, please just email me. The second thing is a student information paper. So I would like you to complete this paper and then send it back to me. There's a little activity here for our first day. Just one interesting thing about yourself, and everybody else will be able to see this, so please make sure that you are putting something in there that you want others to know about you and that is appropriate. And then you can see that there's a first day activity. This is something that we're going to do in class, and we will have a little discussion on all of these little activities that are in here. So there's optical illusions and brain teasers. The last folder is teacher information and contact information. So this has my email and has a little bit of information about my background. So if we go back, the next folder is assignments and instructions. So this is going to be where the main information is. These are all unpublished, and I will have the unit published that we will be working on. Now, you will be getting a large packet that contains note packets. This is where we're going to be taking notes. So there'll be videos posted. So as you can see in here, we have a lab safety contract. These are lab safety rules. I'll have a video about those and go over them. You have to have a signed copy of the last page. There's a lab safety packet, a lab equipment ID worksheet, and then we have lab 1. Now, unfortunately, if you are remote, the labs are going to be a little bit hard to complete. I will let you know, and I will email you about how we're going to handle labs once that is determined. But there'll also be a folder that says videos in here, and that will be what you are watching and you are taking notes on. If we look down at Unit 1, you can see that this looks a little bit different. So the note packet is here. You will get a physical copy of that. Lesson 1, if you click that, we have video lectures, and then there's an activity. And we go through. So the instructions are under each lesson. So watch the video lectures, complete the corresponding section in your note packet. Read over the properties of matter activity. A hard copy will be provided in class. And as you go through these, you can see that we have a project, and then we will talk about assessments at a later time. So almost every single unit is set up in this manner. The last folder is classroom resources. Right now there's nothing in here, but that's where we'll put things for reference materials. So that is a tour. And again, if you have any questions, please just email me. I will have a folder in here. It's not in here yet, but it will have weekly instructions, and I will have a week by week, kind of just like a list of things that are expected to be completed by the end of the week. Thank you.